Yeah, I mean, I sort of see it's more secluded. Like a cul-de-sac.
Next to the beach, I'd be in water every single day like this.
Oh, really?
They're in Britain quite a bit.
God damn.
Put this bag in the beach suit. Oh shit, maybe not. I've got a really large bottle of water in
This shit's never gonna stop. Everything I see crystalline. Everything I drink alkaline. Everything I do is out of mind. Everything I channel out of line, but I'm never out of.
Experience is so humbling.
Yeah.
You get think something
is
about
humbling.
you. So. Shit looks so much like the place in Coimbra, in Portugal. Me and Rob lived in a house like this on a beach.
How you gonna do the same things and expect shit to change? In my blood, sweat, and pain for the riches we claim. There's always trials and tribulations. You don't wake up.
Oh no.
Not you, you're not allowed here.
Oh, I was in there, but sorry, look, come in.
Yeah, I was just telling him to go.
Yeah, quick, Jack.
Oh, the babies are not babies anymore. Hey, guys, how's it going? And the male has to be separate or he fucks with the women all the time. It's more like natural and real. Like, kitty rape, straight from kitty.
Love and light. So how to raise your vibration? Because after all, the vibration you are in right now will determine the way you're experiencing and interpreting the reality around you. So you basically have to become the observer, you know, you have to become aware and observe things of what you're putting in, you know, what you're consuming, mentally, spiritually, physically, you know. So starting off with things that are keeping you in a lower vibrational states, in general, things from substances, an example would be alcohol. A very good example. And anything that works like in a way like that. Anything that gives you an illusionary feeling of euphoria, and then the next day or once you run out, you're feeling even worse, you're getting